All right, so we started off with 20 ounces of our minute rice, and then I added 2 smoked sausages that I cut up into like 1/2 inch coins. Make sure all of those sausages are fully cut apart. Sometimes I don't get the full cut. Oh my goodness, this smells good already. Beautiful. Next, I'm coming in with 2 jars of salsa. I'm using the paste medium, but you can use whatever salsa you like. I like a little bit of heat, but not too much, so that's why I went with the medium, but you could use whatever brand or whatever heat. All right, before we continue, I'm just gonna give this a nice mix, get everything incorporated with that rice. This is such an easy and delicious crock pot dinner. It only takes a little bit of time. It's not gonna be the standard long couple hours that crock pot usually takes. This one is much quicker. And the best part is you don't have to turn on your oven during this hot summer, but you still get a delicious home cooked meal. Okay, that looks mixed well enough. Now I'm gonna come in with my chicken broth. This is 4 cups of chicken broth, and we're gonna use this whole thing. Now, if you're worried about the sodium, you can do a low sodium chicken broth. You could do a beef broth if that's what you prefer, but I personally love chicken broth more than beef, so that's why I went with that. And the chicken broth is really what's gonna cook that rice. It is minute rice, so it doesn't take that much liquid or time, but it's gonna be delicious. All right, give that one more scoop. It'll be even easier to mix now with all that liquid. Oh my goodness, this is gonna be delicious, you guys. Just so easy, so simple. You know, you don't have to put too much work into it. If you're coming home from a long day at work, this is just so easy to throw together without any stress. All right, last thing we're gonna add is some Tillamook 4 cheese. These were actually buy one, get one free. So that's why I ended up getting these. And we're using 2 whole bags. And we're just gonna put that right on top, just like so. Ooh, this is gonna be good, you guys. All right, let's go ahead and put our lid on and pop this on high so that dinner can be ready quickly. All right, you guys, it's been 2 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and turn this off and let's check it out. Oh my goodness, that cheese is perfectly melted. The rice looks perfectly cooked. Let's go ahead and dig in. Oh yeah, cheesy. Oh, that rice looks amazing. Okay, let's get a few more of those sausages. Now remember, the sausage was already fully cooked, so we don't have to worry about that not being cooked or anything, and that's why it's so quick in the crock pot. Oh my gosh, this looks so good, right babe?
Smells delicious.
This is so good.